Trooper here. So I finally got my 2021 Indian Challenger Dark Horse, and it has some issues from the factory. So we're going to talk about those. So it seems like the bikes, a lot of them, and I know at least one other bike that was built in the same month as this one, August of this year. It is in the shop right now at my local dealer with the exact same issue. So the problem seems to be something inside the transmission case. We think it's a shifter ratchet mechanism, or actually the entire assembly. That seems to have fixed at least one person's bike that had this problem, often in a different state. So I'm trying to kind of get a hold on this and see if I can figure out what's going on with it. So if this solution works for mine, I'll update the page, this video, and the details with like a part number. So I'm going to go ahead and show some video of what's going on, but basically trying to downshift from 4th to 3rd for me. It could be a different gear. Some people are stuck in maybe 3rd or 5th or whatever, but trying to downshift, the lever will be completely stuck, it won't move, and then you have to shift up and then shift back down, and then it'll work. And also, new to me, when I recorded the footage I'm going to show of me riding, I actually experienced some real stiff, difficult upshifting too, but not completely stuck like the downshifting was. So here it is, and I'll update the details on this later. If you're having this issue, just check back again later on, and you'll see if there's an update for you after I get mine fixed. Thanks. Ride safe. Oh, there we go. It's stuck in first gear. It's stuck in first gear. It won't shift out of neutral. There it goes. That was really hard. So that's the first for that one. It's shifting really hard now. That's new, actually, since yesterday. It wasn't shifting hard at all. Just on getting stuck. So that is not expected. That's new. You got a fit. Okay, let me go to 4th. Okay, let me go to 3rd. And it's stuck. Pushing, firm pressure, 4th gear, it won't go. Clutch is all the way in. I have to go up, and then down, and then it works. Now I'm in 2nd.